Talking about aging with an elderly loved one can be a complex and challenging process, and there are many sensitive topics that need to be addressed. From discussing driving abilities and estate planning to long-term care and health concerns, these conversations can feel overwhelming. In today's video, we're going to discuss some great ways to approach these conversations with your loved ones. Hi everyone, I'm Rob King with Valley Senior Advisors. We provide free senior living placement services in Phoenix, Arizona. Welcome to the channel where we post weekly videos to help you navigate the complex world of senior care. In today's video, we're talking about the difficult conversations that you may have to have with your loved ones as they age. While it's not possible to cover every subject that may arise, we're going to discuss some of the common topics that come up and provide some insight in how to approach these difficult discussions with compassion and understanding. The first topic we're going to discuss is senior driving. As we age, the physical changes we go through can impact our ability to drive safely. In the United States, the Center for Disease Control and Prevention reports that over 540 adults over 65 are injured in car crashes every day. Some common contributing factors to car crashes are slow reaction times, vision impairments, and cognitive decline. Some medications can cause drowsiness or confusion and can further contribute to unsafe driving. If you have concerns about your parents' ability to drive, observe their driving behavior for signs of unsafe habits such as speeding, sudden lane changes, driving too slowly, or tailgating. Check their vehicle for signs of recent accidents. If you don't have many opportunities to ride with your parent, reach out to a friend or neighbor who may have noticed any concerning driving patterns. Another way to check in on their driving is to monitor their car insurance for any recent claims or sudden increases in their premiums. If you feel that your parent should not be driving, it's important to approach the conversation with empathy and respect. Express your genuine concerns for their safety and the well-being of others on the road. Share specific instances where you observed unsafe driving behaviors or near misses, and clearly lay out the seriousness of the situation. It may be helpful to involve other trusted individuals such as family members or healthcare professionals. They may share the same concerns and can provide additional support. Make sure to listen to your parents' concerns and fears and acknowledge the emotional impact of giving up driving. You can offer to join them on errands or appointments or explore transportation alternatives. Remember to be patient, understanding, and compassionate throughout the conversation. It may take multiple discussions over time to reach an agreement that prioritizes their safety and well-being. The next difficult topic that can come up is estate planning. Estate planning is a crucial aspect of aging, yet approximately 60% of Americans do not have a will or living trust in place. Some individuals may want to avoid this planning process due to the discomfort that comes with thinking about their own mortality or the belief that their assets are not enough. However, it's important for them to understand that without a plan, a court will dictate the distribution of their assets. Estate planning ensures that an individual's wishes are followed, rather than leaving it to chance or a legal proceeding. Determining whether a will or living trust is more suitable for your parent depends on factors such as asset value and preferences of property distribution before or after their passing. A will specifies property recipients after a person's passing, while a trust can be used to distribute assets during or after their lifetime. If you're uncertain which option is better for their situation, it's best to set up a consultation with an experienced estate planning attorney. The next topic is long-term care planning. Around 70% of Americans over 65 will receive long-term care at some point in their lives. Despite the high likelihood of needing long-term care in the future, many individuals don't plan for this, often because they don't want to acknowledge the potential loss of independence or declining health as they age. Even if your plan is to have your parent live with you, it's important to consider that certain medical conditions can arise that make it unsafe for them to live with you without professional help. If you anticipate that your parent may need to transition to assisted living or a nursing home, it's best to start planning early. When having these conversations with your parent, highlight the benefits of long-term care, like making sure they receive the necessary support and assistance when needed. Share information about the various options available, such as assisted living and in-home care, and emphasize that planning early allows for better preparation. It's important to note that many insurance companies, including Medicare, have limitations on long-term care coverage, often covering only a specific number of days. After that period, the expenses become out of pocket. Having this difficult conversation now allows time to explore long-term care options to find the best situation ahead of your parent needing long-term care. Last but not least is challenging health issues. Chronic health conditions are very common in seniors, and certain conditions are the leading cause of death for adults over 65. Some common conditions include heart disease, cancer, chronic low respiratory disease, stroke, Alzheimer's disease, and diabetes. These and other chronic illnesses can result in physical and mental changes such as fatigue, confusion, incontinence, breathing difficulties, and limited mobility. Before discussing with your parent, it's important to first educate yourself about the specific condition, including its signs, symptoms, treatment options, and prognosis. This will help you to not only reduce the stress of the situation, but also allow you to have better communication with your parents' healthcare professionals and others involved in their care. When you have a conversation with your parent about their health conditions, start by expressing that you want to support them in managing their health effectively. Encourage them to share their goals and preferences regarding their healthcare. Some individuals may want to pursue extensive treatment, while others may not. It's important to respect their autonomy and decision-making, as they should have the final say in their medical choices. Lastly, openly discuss the type of care your parent would prefer if independent living becomes too challenging. While some older adults can remain in their homes with assistance from family members and other home health services, others may require round-the-clock care in skilled nursing. Understanding your parents' preferences and having an honest conversation about the associated costs will help you come up with the best plan. While there are other difficult topics that may come up, it's important to always approach these conversations from a place of empathy and understanding. Be sure to listen to them and allow them to express their frustrations and fears. By approaching these discussions with sensitivity and respect, you can create understanding and make the best decisions that ensure your parents' needs are met. That's all for today's video. If you got value from this information, please give us a like and consider subscribing to the channel. You can also hit the notification bell to be notified of when we post new videos. Valley Senior Advisors is committed to helping you find the best care, and our services are 100% free. If we can help you or a loved one, please let us know. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care, and I'll see you in the next video.